So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to set time on clock. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the clock app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store. So let's open it. Now this is the home page of your clock. Now to set a time, you can simply tap on fourth option which is available on the top right corner of your screen. So tap on it. Then here you will see all the options like this. Then to check it, you can simply tap on play icon which is available on the lower bottom of your screen. So tap on it. Now see, you will see your timing here. When you want to pause, you can simply tap on pause icon here. And if you want to stop it, you can simply tap on another option which is available on the left side of your screen. So tap on it. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.